In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set up and install your Epson Stylus Photo R2880 printer on your Windows, Mac OS, or Linux device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser. And in the Google search, you want to search for Epson Stylus Photo R2880 support. Go ahead and search for that. Best results come back with an Epson support page. This is Epson Stylus Photo R2880. Go ahead and open that up. And now you want to scroll down underneath the download section and expand the drop-down and select your version of Windows, Mac OS, or Linux, and then select the Go button. And then scrolling down again, select the driver and utility combo package download underneath the driver section. And then once it's on your device, open up the file. It should be a signed verified publisher from Epson. Select yes. It says this file contains the Epson Stylus Photo R2880 driver and utility combo package. Click OK to continue. Go ahead and let this unzip, and then you'll have options to customize different features you may want to install with the printer, as well as selecting connectivity options for wired or wireless printing. And that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.